In this lecture, we will attempt to understand prejudice, stereotyping, and discrimination. We live in families, tribes, and cultures. Our groups help us survive and provide our lives with structure. They give us basis of self-worth and imbue life with meaning and purpose. All of this great stuff. But one major problem is inherent in living within groups. It separates us from other human beings who live within other groups. Prejudice is the all too common consequence of this distinction between us, which is the in-group, and them, which is the out-group. Virtually every known culture has been hostile to members of some other culture or oppressed certain segments of its society. Indeed, recorded history is ridiculed with the bloodied consequences of a seemingly endless parade of oppression, persecution, colonization, crusades, wars, and genocides. Lethal human violence fueled by intergroup conflict has been dated back at least to between 12,000 and 10,000 BC, when evidence suggests that a battle near Sudan resulted in 59 well-preserved casualties. Of course, that was just an early drop in the bucket relative to what happened during the Crusades, the European invasion and colonization of the Americas, the two world wars, the Nazi Holocaust, Stalin's purges, the killing fields of the Khmer Rouge, and the Hutu genocidal campaign against the Tutsi in Rwanda. The list could go on and on. So in my upcoming lectures, we will explore the many reasons that history has been and continues to be such a nightmare of intergroup hatred and violence. We will consider how prejudice, stereotyping, and discrimination affect those targeted by these biases. We will also consider ways in which we might hope someday to awaken from this nightmare, to which people treat each other fairly, regardless of their differences.